In today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the battery on a Redmi 10 smartphone, step by step. If your Redmi 10 is draining battery quickly, switching off suddenly, not charging properly, or overheating, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. A weak or damaged battery can seriously affect your phone's performance, but the good news is, battery replacement can fix these issues completely if done the right way. In this video, you'll learn the correct tools, safe removal method, and proper installation process for the Redmi 10 battery, without damaging the display or motherboard. Warning: please note, this repair should be done carefully. If you're not confident, it's always better to get help from a professional technician. So watch this video till the end, don't skip any steps, and if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more smartphone repair videos.